we are in our outdoor learning lab. This is going to be a perfect spot for us to have teaching outside and in an environment that students can come and kind of just enjoy nature, but also learn at the same time. Not just have regular class inside, but we're able to take it outside, and the teacher is also able to teach from a whiteboard. They're able to turn and talk. They're able to go and explore and do lots of hands-on applications. So we are very grateful for having this space available to us. So one of the concepts that we teach in 5th grade are ecosystems. And so students are able to learn the different ecosystems that are within the world, but also they are able to learn the different organisms that basically make up the ecosystem. And so starting with decomposers, if we dig down into the soil, there are some worms down in here. We're also going to talk about bacteria, fungus, and mushrooms, and how all those things essentially break down the nutrients that kind of go back down into the soil. And so when our 5th grade students were installing this, we even looked at the different compositions of soil. We looked at what plants actually need to thrive. We looked at how climate can affect the plant that actually grows, as well as precipitation. And so being able to have something in the ground that's not only something that they see all the time like a strawberry, but also being able to get your hands in the dirt and then talk about those things that they don't really see all the time. They know that they're there, but what is their purpose, and making sure that the ecosystem is balanced. I plan on coming out and talking about all the abiotic factors or living things that are inside of here, like the ants and the worms and all the other little microbes that are inside of here, unicellular and multicellular organisms as well. But then also being able to look at all the non-living things that are out here and how all those things are balanced to make sure that that ecosystem is going to thrive.